Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet Dateable. This is a powerful tool for organizing, tracking, and managing data in a structured format that makes collaboration and analysis much easier. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Smartsheet workspace where you can access all your sheets and start creating new ones. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Click on Create, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Table. This action will open up a brand new Dateable for you to work with, providing you with a clean slate to organize your information. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the rows, which are numbered on the left side, and the columns, which are labeled at the top. This grid structure is where you'll be entering all your data. Think of it like a spreadsheet, but with more powerful collaboration and automation features built in. To start entering data into cells, simply click on any cell to activate it. Once it's highlighted, you can begin typing your data. When you're done with that cell, press Enter to move down to the next row or Tab to move across to the next column. This makes data entry quick and efficient. If you need to add more rows to your table, click the plus icon at the bottom of the sheet. Alternatively, you can right-click on any row number and select either Insert Below or Insert Above, depending on where you want the new row to appear. This flexibility allows you to expand your Dateable as your project grows. To customize your columns, click on any column header name to rename it to something that better describes the data you're storing there. If you need to add additional columns, right-click on a column header and select either Insert Column Right or Insert Column Left. When you do this, you'll be prompted to choose a column type, which helps Smartsheet understand what kind of data you'll be storing in that column. Speaking of column types, you can modify them at any time. Right-click on a column header and select Edit Column Properties. From here, you can choose the column type that best fits your needs, whether that's text/number, date drop-down, checkbox, or several other options. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. To filter your data and focus on specific information, click the filter icon in the toolbar and select Filter. This opens up filtering options where you can set criteria to show only the rows that meet your requirements. This is incredibly useful when working with large datasets. Smartsheet also supports formulas for calculations and data manipulation. Click on any cell where you want a formula and type equals to start. For example, you could type equals sum and then click the cells you want to add together. This functionality lets you perform calculations automatically, just like in a traditional spreadsheet. The great news is that Smartsheet auto-saves your work continuously, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. However, you can also click the Save icon to manually confirm any changes you've made. And there you have it. You've learned how to create and use a Smartsheet Dateable effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.